Most people shopping for a used car make the same mistake. They chase the same Toyotas and Hondas everyone else wants, bid up the prices, and convince themselves there are no other reliable options. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Hidden in plain sight are vehicles built with the same engineering, the same durability, and in many cases, the same parts as those safe bet brands, yet they sell for thousands less simply because the badge isn't trendy. These cars don't make headlines and don't disappear the moment they're listed, and that's exactly why they're such incredible deals. In this video, we're revealing 4 underrated used cars that most buyers overlook, vehicles known to quietly rack up hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal drama. If you want long-term reliability without paying the Toyota tax, these are the cars smart buyers hunt for while everyone else overpays. Number 4. 2014 to 2016 Hyundai Genesis. Few used cars show how brand perception distorts value like the first-generation Hyundai Genesis sedan. Built before Genesis became its own luxury brand, this full-size sedan was Hyundai's serious attempt to challenge Lexus, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, and it did so without cutting corners. Unlike earlier near-luxury efforts from mainstream brands, the Genesis was engineered from the ground up as a true luxury car. It rides on a rear-wheel drive platform, uses refined powertrains, and features materials and technology expected in premium sedans. The standout choice is the 3.8-liter V6, producing 333 horsepower paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic. This setup delivers confident performance, strong reliability, and a driving feel clearly separated from Hyundai's front-wheel drive models. Ride comfort is one of the Genesis's biggest strengths. Its suspension filters out rough pavement while keeping the body composed, closely matching the comfort of flagship luxury sedans that cost far more when new. Excellent sound insulation keeps the cabin quiet even at highway speeds. Inside, the Genesis offers genuine luxury, real wood trim, quality leather, and a well-built cabin that has aged gracefully. Features like heated and ventilated seats, premium audio, navigation, and advanced driver assistance tech are still competitive today. Long-term reliability, especially with the V6, has been impressive, and ownership costs remain far lower than European rivals. Thanks to the Hyundai badge, clean 2014 to 2016 models often sell for $7,000 to $10,000, making this one of the best luxury values on the used market. Number 3. 2009 to 2011 Honda Element. Few vehicles earn the kind of cult following the Honda Element enjoys, and it's well-deserved. This boxy compact SUV blends legendary Honda reliability with a level of versatility that's still hard to match today. At its core is Honda's 2.4-liter K24 four-cylinder engine, widely regarded as one of the most durable engines ever put into a mass-produced vehicle. Producing 166 horsepower and paired with a 5-speed automatic, the Element isn't about speed, it's about longevity. With routine maintenance, many examples easily surpass 300,000 miles. Buyers could choose front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, offering dependable traction while still returning a respectable 22 to 25 miles per gallon in real-world driving. The Element's real magic is inside. The wide-opening rear doors and tall, squared-off shape create an interior that feels more like a compact cargo van than a traditional SUV. Rear seats fold up against the walls or can be removed entirely, revealing a flat, rubberized floor ideal for hauling gear, pets, bikes, or even setting up a camping layout. Waterproof, hard-wearing materials make cleanup effortless. High ground clearance, excellent visibility, and a manageable footprint give the Element confidence on rough roads without sacrificing city usability. Since Honda ended production after 2011, demand has stayed strong as supply shrinks. Clean 2009 to 2011 models often sell around $10,000, making the Element a uniquely capable, long-lasting vehicle that still has no true modern replacement. Number 2. 2005 Buick LeSabre. If comfort, reliability, and value matter more than trends, the 2005 Buick LeSabre is hard to beat. This full-size American sedan comes from an era when simplicity ruled and ride comfort was a top priority, delivering durability that feels almost unreal at today's prices. Under the hood is one of GM's greatest engines, the 3.8-liter Series 3 V6. Producing 205 horsepower and 230 pound-feet of torque, it delivers smooth, effortless power with a legendary reputation for longevity. With basic maintenance, these engines regularly exceed 300,000 miles without major internal work. The paired 4-speed automatic isn't flashy, but its proven design makes it just as dependable. Ride quality is where the LeSabre truly shines. Its soft suspension glides over rough roads in a way many modern vehicles, even luxury cars, struggle to replicate. Wide, supportive seating and excellent sound insulation create a relaxed, quiet experience that feels more like a living room than a sedan. Inside, there's room for up to 6 passengers and a massive trunk that easily handles luggage or weekly errands. Controls are simple and intuitive, a big plus for drivers who prefer clarity over touchscreens. Fuel economy is better than expected, with highway mileage often exceeding 29 miles per gallon. Best of all, clean examples can be found under $5,000, making the LeSabre an unbeatable, comfort-focused bargain. Number 1. 2007 to 2009 Subaru Legacy. At the top of the list sits a car that quietly delivers year-round confidence without SUV pricing, the 4th-generation Subaru Legacy. This mid-size sedan offers a rare blend of capability, comfort, and value that many used car shoppers overlook. The Legacy's defining advantage is its standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Unlike part-time setups found in many crossovers, Subaru's full-time AWD is always active, automatically distributing power for maximum traction in rain, snow, or poor road conditions. No driver input required. It provides genuine all-weather confidence while still driving like a proper sedan. Power comes from a 2.5-liter flat-four boxer engine paired with either a manual or automatic transmission. While not powerful on paper, it delivers smooth, predictable performance and solid long-term reliability when maintained properly. Its low, flat design lowers the center of gravity, giving the Legacy stable handling and confident cornering. Ride quality strikes an excellent balance between comfort and control. The suspension absorbs rough pavement without feeling soft, and steering remains precise with excellent visibility in all conditions. Inside, build quality exceeds expectations with durable materials, supportive seats, and simple, intuitive controls that age well over time. Head gasket concerns are often mentioned with Subarus, but the 2007 to 2009 models showed notable improvements. Budgeting for preventative service around 100,000 miles, if not already done, is a smart move given the car's overall durability. Best of all, clean examples typically sell for $4,000 to $6,000. For buyers in tough weather regions, the Legacy is one of the smartest hidden values on the used market.